Smart Insights, another one of SAP Analytics Cloud's augmented analytics features, allows for additional context to be added to visualizations in order to provide further insights into your data. Real quickly, an important caveat to note, as of January 2024, Smart Insights is only available in the classic design experience for stories. We generally recommend the optimized design experience, but this feature in particular is only available in classic. And with that out of the way, let's cover how to add Smart Insights to visualizations within your stories. When you're in edit mode of a story, hover your mouse and click on any of your visualizations, and a More Actions button will appear. When you click on that More Actions button, you're looking for the icon called Add Smart Insights. This uses the same icon, the light bulb, as other smart features in the tool, including Search to Insight up in the toolbar. When you click on Add Smart Insights, the insights will load and be provided at the bottom of the visualization. As you can see here, it calls out which sales rep has the highest net revenue, with some additional context around that. At any point, you can click on View More, and a dedicated panel on the right side of your story view called Smart Insights will display as well, providing even further context about the data driving that visualization. This can be explored and analyzed, and any additional visualizations that are provided in here can also be copied and added to your story as well. Once the Smart Insight has been added and saved to a story, it's available in view mode for any of your story viewers as well. They can open up that Smart Insights panel too and explore the data and the insights provided to their heart's content. Smart Insights is a very valuable and quick add to any visualization to provide further insights driven by your data.